Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we're going to visit the Juniata Valley Winery. According to their website and print literature, Juniata Valley Winery is a family-owned business operated by George and Colleen Hazard since 2012. At the time of this video, the winery was open Thursday to Saturday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from noon to 5 p.m. Juniata Valley Winery offers a variety of quality wines made from grapes grown throughout central Pennsylvania. The owners invite you to taste test their great selection of award-winning wines. As they often say, it doesn't matter if you are a wine expert or novice. A winery tour is about having fun and enjoying the experience.
This is my favorite so far. Yeah.
Connected to the winery is a gorgeous 19th century manor home called the Wilson House Bed and Breakfast. Entering the front doors, your first sight is the beautiful and inviting grand staircase. But first, let's explore the main floor, which can accommodate up to 70 people for your events. Climbing this historic staircase, you will find a glorious selection of rooms beautifully designed and laid out. When staying at the Wilson House, you not only receive a comfortable bed and impeccable service, you also get complimentary Wi-Fi, admission to their Friday night music event when available, a free glass of their delicious wine, and a 3-course gourmet breakfast. Most special dietary needs can be accommodated with advance notice. Taking a look outside, you can see a vast music events area and beautiful scenery that you can use as backdrops for weddings and other special gatherings. Many events are done throughout the year, so check their website for dates and times. What we see here is Aisling Hall, where you can host larger events that require upwards of 3,300 square feet of space and up to 200 guests. Thank you for being with me here today at the Juniata Valley Winery. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.